Hi everyone, in this video this is an interactive model. I'll call it the funky faces. I'll show you how to make it. To begin, fold your paper in half lengthways. Unfold, use the outside edges to fold towards the middle. Then I'll rotate the paper around and fold this in half. Unfold and use the short edges to fold towards the middle. Then I'll tease out the corner. This is a little flap underneath, so I'll pull this out to form a triangular shape. And then I'll do this on the remaining corners. Nearly there, now for the last one. Then I'll lift up each flap like so, and I'll open it up to flatten into a square. So repeat this step another 3 times. That's all the folding needed to do this. Grab a pen for the next part and you can draw the faces on. I'll draw a happy face to start off with. Turn the flaps over like so. Make sure you've got an open edge running vertically, and then I'll draw a sad face. Flip over to the blank flaps, and the last one will be a grumpy face. Happy folding, and thanks for watching. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!